Yeah guys, just wanted to give you a quick update here after 1 full year with this WIE Countertop reverse osmosis filter system, which I got from the seller to test and show you. And I tested and used it for 1 full year. So I filled up the tank. I think it's 1.2 gallons, something like that. And I've been drinking a lot of it, usually about half of it, or even a little bit more, just left more or less the waste water which is on this side here automatically, and then put it out, let it dry overnight, filled it up next morning, and then put it here, and then was drinking glass after glass after glass. You can see that here. It's so super convenient, absolutely amazing. And still after 1 full year, you can see shows still this low 11 ppm from this built-in TDS meter. So we have almost pure water here, almost nothing else here inside. So super cool, so super tasty even after 1 full year. Yeah, this is amazing. Nothing else than incredible. And you can hear it does also the automatic backwash. You don't have to do anything usually, except maybe every month or two when it starts blinking, indicating that you have to do a larger flushing. Then you use a larger container here, put it here inside, let it flush automatically, and then you can use it for another month or two, something like that. Super, super easy, super convenient. According to the specs, the life expectation is between 1 and 2 years, depending on, of course, how much you're using it. I've been using it really every day, and it's still in perfect condition. So even like that, I think I get another year out of this. And then, of course, after that, I will replace the whole thing, not only the filter, but the whole system, because it's a closed system. It has a water tank inside, which I cannot clean, even though, of course, we have the UV light. But also the UV light has some limitation regarding the life expectation. And so I think after 2 years and daily usage, it will be perfect to replace the whole thing. So I don't even have to deal with adding new filters or so. The whole set comes already with a new filter, so I don't have to do anything, just unboxing, plug it in, and enjoy almost absolutely perfectly pure water for another 2 years. This is absolutely amazing. As far as I know, this WIE Countertop reverse osmosis filtration system doesn't have any remineralization stage. It doesn't have such an alkaline filter. So the pH is a little bit lower, but on the other hand, we have a very, very low ppm, which would be also perfect to use this water also for the Keurig and the Nespresso coffee machine, even better than using water from the undersink RO system, which is around 70 ppm. So this will definitely leave less residue in these machines here. Yeah, for me it has been absolutely awesome for 1 year. Absolutely no problems at all. This is as easy as it gets to get 1 year of fresh, clean water. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video. So you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this WIE Countertop water filtration system, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.